In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find long-tail keywords in Ubersuggest. Long-tail keywords are the secret to attracting the right audience with content that answers specific needs. They're usually longer phrases, often 4 or more words, and while they tend to have lower search volume than broad head terms, they often convert better because the intent is clearer. Today, I'll walk you through a simple, repeatable process in Ubersuggest to uncover those high-intent phrases you can use in your SEO and content strategy. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Ubersuggest. From the results page, click the official Ubersuggest website to open the tool. Once you're there, look for the sign-in option. Logging in ensures your searches and settings are saved, and it also gives you a smoother experience as you explore ideas. If you're prompted to choose a plan, you can still follow along with the free features, though limits may apply. With the tool open, enter a seed keyword in the main search bar. This should be a broad head term related to your niche, like digital marketing, running shoes, or cloud storage. Think of it as the umbrella topic your audience cares about. Hit search to let Ubersuggest analyze the term and generate a starting point for exploration. Don't worry if your first idea feels general. That's exactly what we want at this stage. Next, navigate to the Keyword Ideas section in the left sidebar. This is where Ubersuggest compiles a large list of related phrases drawn from your seed keyword. You'll see columns like search volume and competitiveness to help you gauge opportunity. Skim the suggestions to get a sense of how people expand or specify your head term, noting phrases that show clear intent, like comparisons, use cases, or audience qualifiers. Now, explore the tabs across the top: suggestions, related, questions, prepositions, and comparisons. The Questions tab is fantastic for uncovering search phrases that map directly to problems and how-to content, such as how to start digital marketing on a budget. The Related tab broadens your net with closely connected topics you might not have considered. Prepositions surface modifiers like for, with, and near, which often reveal niche use cases, while comparisons can highlight buyer intent phrases like A versus B. As you scan, remember the hallmarks of long-tail keywords: longer phrases, typically 4 or more words, and lower search volume than head terms. Prioritize terms that match clear user intent and feel specific to your audience. Collect your favorites, and you'll have a targeted list ready for content planning, product pages, or FAQs.